working with the quotient rule of derivatives, I have the example where I want to find the derivative of f of x equals 3x minus 2 over 2x minus 3. Remember, in this case, for notation purposes, even though I labeled this entire function f of x, when I look at the rule, f of x represents our numerator, g of x represents our denominator. Be very, very careful with that rule. Different books use different notation, but in this case, I'm using f of x is the numerator and g of x is the denominator. Let's get into the math. Here we go. So I want to do g of x, which is the denominator. So boom, so dx equals, actually, I don't even want to put that. All right, let's do f prime of x. F prime of x equals, so let's go. G of x, so 2x minus 3 times the derivative of 3x minus 2 minus 3x minus 2 times the derivative of 2x minus 3. All right. All of that is going to be over 2x minus 3 squared. All right, here we go. So 2x minus 3. The derivative of 3x is just 3. The derivative of 2 is 0 because it's a constant. 3x minus 2 times the derivative of 2x, which is just 2. The derivative of 3 is 0 again because it's a constant. And then we just keep the denominator like it is. So from here, we're going to simply just distribute and we're going to be done. 3 times 2x is going to be 6x minus 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And then minus, let's put that in parentheses, 6x minus 4. 2 times 3x is 6x, 2 times 2 is 4, and then still keeping it over 2x minus 3 squared. All right, that's an ugly exponent, but you can see it. All right, now we just simplify, combine like terms and simplify. In the numerator, we have 6x minus 9 minus 6x plus 4 because we're distributing this negative, still over 2x minus 3 squared. So now, f prime of x, the derivative, is equal to 6x minus 6x is done. So yeah, that's gone. So negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. And then over 2x minus 3 squared. All right? And that's it. That's our derivative. I had to look at my notes for a second. I was like, whoa, everything's gone. That's the derivative. It's not that bad. It's tedious, but you got to be very, very careful with signs and things like that. So that's our derivative. If you found yourself watching this video, I need you to do me a great big favor. I need you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I drop videos every Monday of a full lesson, and then I drop snippets midweek on Wednesdays. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and do a friend a favor. Subscribe and then share with a friend, like, all that good stuff. I appreciate you in advance.